Allah Almighty says, and horses and mules and asses, that you may ride upon them and for adornment. Hazrat Abu Hurairah radiyallahu anhu reports that Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, horses are three types. One, that wherein there is reward for a man. Second, that is a screen for a man. Third one, that is a burden for a man. That horse is a cause of reward for a man that has been kept for fighting in the way of Allah Jalla Jalaluhu. Then he may be tied with a long tether in a meadow or a garden for grazing. So the owner will procure reward for the distance up to which its tether will go in that meadow or garden. If it breaking its rope goes beyond 1 or 2 knolls, the master will earn rewards in exchange for its dung and steps. If it passes by a canal or a river and drinks its water, though the owner has no intention to water it, even then it will be counted as his reward. Whosoever keeps a horse just for vanity and pretension or in the enmity of the Muslims, such a horse will be a burden for his owner. When Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam was inquired about an ass, he sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, no precept has been revealed to me about it, but this comprehensive verse. Then whoso has done good of an atom's weight shall see it, and whoso has done evil of an atom's weight shall see it. Sahih Bukhari, Hadith number 2860.